This is Ken with Village Green, and I'm at a home that we just recently completed a landscape project for. We did a few things. Number one, we worked with Pattern Concrete by Ray, and they did this really nice pattern concrete job. The focus of this was so the clients could put a hot tub in this very small patio home, and then we wanted to put plants around it, not make it feel quite so constricted and make it feel a little bit more natural. So we installed this patio area with pattern concrete with the irregular shaped pattern, and then we installed these are abelias we put in. These are going to get about 3 or 4 feet tall to make to screen the hot tub a little bit, and then in front of that is a layering are these giant liriope. Those will get a couple of feet tall to again soften the edge of this patio. These are nandinas, obsession nandinas. They're going to turn a nice bright red in the wintertime. And then we've got soft caress mahogany in the back corner. And then this is a dwarf variegated pittosporum. It's not going to get a lot taller than this. And then to screen this, because again, this is patio home on top of patio home, we're trying to make this feel a little less like one home is on top of the other. So these Japanese yews here, these are going to get 8-10 feet tall, and that's going to screen this home from the other homes. And then this is Anthony Water Spirea over here. That's going to have some pink blooms. And then pots, and then this is a trailing rosemary, which when you brush past it, you'll have the fragrance. And then behind that is a plant called Huchera, and then the giant liriope. So again, it's a great job by Pattern Concrete by Ray doing this patio, and then a lot of screening as time goes on. This is Ken with Village Green.